Welcome to our Development, Architecture, and Design courses, created for professionals who want to build smarter, more scalable systems from the ground up. These hands-on sessions dive into the principles of modern software architecture, development frameworks, and system design strategies. You'll learn how to plan and construct high-performing applications, streamline performance, and make sound technical decisions that support innovation and growth. Led live by seasoned experts, each course combines real-world scenarios with practical training, helping you build both the knowledge and confidence to architect and develop resilient enterprise-grade solutions. You'll finish with expert-created playbooks, development resources, and a clear path forward for mastering modern software practices. Whether you're an individual looking for a public class or seeking expert-led training for your team, or searching for a trusted partner to create a scalable enterprise-wide learning plan for your organization, we've got flexible options to support your success. Check out the full list of courses below to find the right one for your needs. And if you're interested in special rates or private team training, reach out today. We're here to support your success.